Have you ever stopped to think about why so many young women end up getting involved with older men? Common sense might try to explain this with superficialities, but the truth runs much deeper. And if you're an older man, I want you to know something right now. You have more value than you imagine. Today, we're going to explore the psychological, emotional, and behavioral reasons that make younger women feel attracted to more experienced men. Stay until the end, because this video will not only open your eyes, but might change how you see yourself. This is the legacy I want to leave for you, heir to wisdom, emotional security, and stability. Young women are surrounded by immature, insecure, and indecisive young men. When they encounter an older man who knows what he wants, makes decisions with firmness, and acts with serenity, it creates a profound impact. The older man, having faced more challenges, has developed an emotional security that sets him apart. He doesn't react impulsively, doesn't get caught up in emotional games, and this transmits stability, something rare and highly desired. More than just appearing secure, he is secure. And this difference shows in small attitudes. He listens more than he speaks. He doesn't need to prove anything to anyone, and his presence transmits calm. For a woman seeking a safe harbor amid the chaos of youth, this is irresistible. This emotional stability also offers a type of emotional refuge that many don't perceive. In times of uncertainty, a man who maintains his composure and acts with thoughtfulness becomes an anchor for those who are adrift. This is more than physical attraction. It's genuine admiration. Life experience. The older man has history. He has lived more, made more mistakes, learned more. This naturally makes him more interesting. He has formed opinions, but also has the humility to recognize when he needs to learn something new. This combination of conviction and wisdom is extremely attractive. Young women feel fascinated by someone who can teach them, guide them, or simply present a more mature perspective on life. This isn't a father or protector role, but that of a complete man who has something to offer beyond appearance or status. Furthermore, this experience creates a sense of emotional depth. He knows how to handle difficult moments, understands the importance of silence, and has a background that inspires confidence. Living with someone like this is richer, more intense, and more rewarding. Financial and emotional independence. Unlike younger men who are still seeking their place in the world, an older man has generally already built a solid foundation. He doesn't need to impress, doesn't need to show off, because he already knows his worth. He doesn't get lost in conquest games, nor does he show desperation. And this shows the woman that she's not dealing with a boy, but with a man. This independence also manifests in how he handles his own solitude. He's not afraid to be alone, because he's already learned to appreciate his own company. This makes him more selective, more centered, and paradoxically, more desired. When a man shows he can be happy alone, he transmits a clear signal of self-sufficiency. This awakens curiosity and interest because it makes clear that he chooses to be with someone, not out of necessity but by conscious choice. And this changes the entire relationship dynamic. Stoic posture. Older men find it easier to apply the principles of Stoicism even if they don't know this name. They've already understood that they can't control the world, but they can control themselves. They don't react to chaos, don't live according to others' emotions, and maintain focus on what really matters. As Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to what happens that matters." This posture toward life inspires respect, and respect is one of the most powerful ingredients of true attraction. This serenity means he doesn't get involved in futile discussions, nor is he affected by rejections or others' opinions. He stays centered, lives according to his principles, and transmits confidence just by being who he is. This is what differentiates a man who lives under his own dominion, and this inner strength is deeply magnetic. Presence and communication. An older man has learned to communicate with clarity. He doesn't talk too much, but when he speaks, there's substance. He knows how to listen, knows how to pause, knows the value of a look and silence at the right moment. This creates an atmosphere of presence, something rare in the age of distraction. While young men often try to get attention with shouts and jokes, the older man attracts with serenity and depth. This provokes curiosity and desire. Furthermore, his communication isn't just verbal, it's also physical. The way he carries himself, how he looks, the calm in his gestures. All of this transmits security, and a woman who feels she's being truly heard, not just listened to, feels valued, and this generates connection. Conclusion. The attraction that young women feel for older men isn't about money, status, or appearance. It's about energy, posture, maturity, and presence. The older man, when he knows and respects himself, becomes a true magnet of feminine attraction. And this doesn't depend on age, but on how you live and behave. Therefore, don't diminish yourself for getting older. On the contrary, value this phase as the peak of your potential. Keep evolving, strengthening your mind, your body, and your spirit. Because this is how you not only conquer women, but conquer yourself. Remember, the qualities that really matter develop over time. Being an older man isn't a limitation, it's an advantage, as long as you choose to live with consciousness, wisdom, and presence. Until the next video, heir to wisdom.